simple hamburgers. Very short and sweet. So just follow me through this. I'll be done in about 5 minutes with this. I'm warming this side up only. This is side only. Okay? We'll see you in a little bit. Alrighty, here we go. I'm going to put down a little bit of oil right here, like that. And we'll get this thing going. There we are. And we'll just cook that for about 4 minutes on each side. We'll see how that goes. Let's see if we can season these little things here. They got a nice little pepper, some nice salt, a little bit of seasoned salt, and some mixture, pepper mixture. You know, I like this stuff. All right. There we are. And that's been in there about 2 minutes right now. See how that works? All right, let's see. I'm gonna flip them. Move them over a little bit, and then I'm going to put down the buns. These are a nice little onion buns. Try to get these on there for the toast. Okay, folks, here's the we're cooking those up and got those nice and toasted. Put those out of the way. And cook these the rest of the way here. I'm just not supposed to press them down like that, but I do a little bit. I'm just going to put a little more seasoned salt on this side. That's it. Well, should be done in another. I just turned them, so yeah, it's still a little bloody there. I like them a little bit more medium when I'm cooking these. Just leave it alone. Let me turn it again. So it doesn't get too brown on one side. I'm filming right now. Come on, Bubs.
No, I was just put my hand in there. I gotta find my voice is okay. It doesn't have, my voice doesn't have eczema all over it.
Yes, Bubs, I'll be right in.
got a good 30 minutes to me. Once again,
I was cooking away here now. Let's see how this works. That's a little hot right there, even though it's only cooking on this side. So we toasted the buns already, and now all we're waiting for is get that meat cooked up, and then we'll go in the house and put our what we want on there, what we like to put on. I'll show you that. I'll get a light. Got these simple little hamburgers. Well, I think they're getting close to being done, so I can turn that off and let the residual heat cook them the rest of the way. I think we're about done. Okay, here we go. So, done. And turned off the heat already. So, there you go. We're going to bring this in the house and dress it. Okay, folks. Now, we got this all ready. Look at those buns, got real nice. And this is the way I like my hamburgers. Very simple. So I want to put some mustard. Just mustard. And put some ketchup on it. Oops. Get that big old ketchup bottle on there. Wow, 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 wow. Nice little deal. And these nice little onion buns are real nice. So this is very simple. Get the pickles on there. These little dill pickles. I'll put this one over here. And there you go. We got it. We got it made. And there. And wow. Wowie, wow, wow. And then we cover it like that. And we're ready to eat. Look at that. Perfect little simple hamburger. Love it. Love it. Here we go. I'm going to try it. That's like I like it. Right there. Okay. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Pretty good little hamburgers. Catch you later.